again, share some of the great things that are going on in the district. We are pleased tonight to have with us another one of our students, Darius Dale, who is a sophomore at Northwood High School. Darius wanted me to know that everybody around Chatham knows him as Trey. So Tay, I'm sorry, Tay. I wanted to get it right. So he's Tay. So this is Tay and our Darius Dale. One of our students, we've provided this opportunity for our students to really just kind of ride sidecar during the meeting to see it from this vantage point. And so we're excited for him to be here again, sophomore at Northwood High School, and he tells me he has a 3.9 GPA. I'll give him a few minutes to just greet you.
Good evening, everyone. As Dr. Jackson just introduced me, my name is Darius Dale, or Tay Dale. Many of you might recognize me for kicking off this county's convocation back in August, speaking a little bit about myself and awarding an award to Colleen D'Angelo, a 5th grade teacher currently at Horton Middle School. A little bit about me is, again, I'm a sophomore at Northwood. Very involved in sports and as well as academics and clubs and stuff of that matter. I'm currently the sophomore VP on the student council. I'll be running in this upcoming week for student body VP. I am in FCCLA, which stands for Family Career Communities of America, hand in hand with Culinary Arts in Northwood. I have a student, relatively involved. And yeah, just a pleasure to be here. Thank you again to the rest of the board and Dr. Jackson for giving me the opportunity to be up here, sit right next to Dr. Jackson. Thank you again to Ms. Youngblood at the back. I see you. Thank you again for giving me the opportunity and choosing me to be able to feel like such a small guppy in a big pond at Northwood. It really just makes me feel special, seeing that I've been in this county since as early as pre-K. So just give me the opportunity. Thank you again.